Hi everyone, myself Anuj Mondal from Kolkata Group. Have you ever wondered how we can make coal, an old-school fuel, a bit more modern and environmentally friendly? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of coal gasification and discover how it's changing the game for energy independence. Coal gasification might sound complex, but it's basically about transforming coal into what we call syngas, a mix of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This is done through a thermochemical process. What's exciting is that syngas isn't just limited to coal. It can also be produced from other materials like petcoke, municipal wastes, biomass, or refinery residues. Now, why is this important? For many countries, coal is still a major player due to political and economic reasons. Gasification is becoming a key solution for these countries to maintain energy independence without heavily relying on fluctuating oil and gas markets. Let's break down the fundamentals. In gasification, we react carbon-containing materials with air or pure oxygen. This breaks it down into simpler molecules, primarily carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This reaction can happen either above ground in a plant or below the ground, through a process called in situ underground gasification. In an overground setup, the heart of the process is the gasifier. Here, the feedstock, which is ground into powder or fed directly if it's liquid or gas, reacts at temperatures ranging from 1800 to 2800 degrees Celsius. Gasifiers come in different designs, like upflow, downflow, or circulating, depending on how the syngas moves. Speaking of syngas, this gas isn't just CO and H2. Depending on the feedstock, it could include other substances like hydrogen sulfide, water vapor, methane, mercury, and even trace elements. Depending on its use, syngas often requires thorough cleaning. Now, underground coal gasification is another cool aspect. It's used for coal seams that are too difficult or uneconomical to mine. Instead of digging up the coal, we inject oxygen and air into the coal seam through wells. This method is quite different from methods like CBM, coal bed methane, because it involves lower pressures and doesn't require fracturing the seam. One of the biggest advantages of coal gasification is promoting energy independence. With the global market prices of oil and natural gas often unstable, having a steady, reliable source like coal can really help a country stabilize its energy supply. Plus, the process makes it easier to remove contaminants like mercury and sulfur, which is a big win for the environment. So, while coal might seem like a relic from the past, technologies like gasification are helping to give it a new lease on life, ensuring it can be a part of our energy mix in a cleaner, more sustainable way. It's all about using what we have more efficiently and responsibly. Thanks for watching and stay curious. Wait for more from Kolkata Group.